camera. Wow.
In a heartfelt visit to Nongspong village under Jirang constituency, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced the sanction of funds through CMSDF for the phased development of Nongspong, a Garo LP school which has served the community since 1976. An avid musician himself, the Chief Minister also took time to mentor students, distributing a guitar and sports equipment while personally strumming a few notes to encourage the young budding musicians.
We are here in Jirang area in Nongspong A village, and this is part of my tour today of Jirang area along with our Honorable MLA, and we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspong A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school. And a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition, and therefore along with the Honorable MLA we have decided to work together and provide them in a phase-wise manner new infrastructure, and I have promised that. So along with my CMSDF scheme, along with whatever support from the MLA as well as from the SSA scheme, we will try and build up this infrastructure in a phase-wise manner at the earliest. Apart from that, of course, which I always have been doing, I believe that the students should be engaged in extracurricular activities. So we have also promised them some music instruments and sports equipments. Some of them I brought along with me this time, so I have handed over one small acoustic guitar, and I was so happy to see one of the youngsters, in spite of not having any access to any instruments, he still was able to pick up and play the different keys, and it's very encouraging, and I hope that I'll be able to give them more opportunities by providing them better equipments, music equipments in the future. But it is very nice to be here today. This is my first visit ever to this part of the constituency and this part of the state, and I can see that there are a lot of challenges. We may not be able to resolve everything in one go, but hopefully our visit will at least give some relief and we'll be able to do some good for the people who live